What are you fishing for? Are you fishing like me? I love fishing too. Hey, bird. And we zoom out just to give you an idea, but he is right over there. I can walk through here because I do have the boots on, but we're gonna let him catch some fish too.